Hello everybody, we are back in my garage. Has been quite a while since I made a video of this, of my garage door. The Chamberlain model B750 plus belt drive. It's right there. We're gonna run this a couple of times. I haven't made a video of this door in like weeks or months, I'm pretty sure. But here we go. Here's the Chamberlain remote. This is a model MC100. I don't know if you can see it. Okay. Run it up. Pretty nice. You know what? Fuck it. We'll do an outside view. Here's the outside of this door. I have to do this quick because it is raining. Run it up using the keyless entry pad. I can't show the code. Otherwise, some crazy guy who's watching this video try to break into my house. I don't want that. Do a safety sensor check. Light bulbs in this, both the light bulbs in this burnt out. We'll do a force test. Force works. I think it works better on AC motors, but yeah. We'll run this down. Here's the wall button. This is the Chamberlain version of the 881 LM, I'm pretty sure. We'll do a balance test. We'll put the remote right here. Yeah, I have this light on because the light bulbs in the garage door burnt out. This has the newer release handle. Stays here, but if I push it up any further, like to right there, it's gonna fly up on its own. We'll lift it down. And we'll run this without the door. The belt on this is squealing. It's coming from right there. We'll connect to this. Here's a sensor check of this just running without the door. You can hear it clicking. Get a close-up of this. We'll run this from a close-up. We'll grab the remote. Right there. Actually, do I have any like flat chairs or something? Guess not. I'll run it from right here. There it goes down. Pretty nice. Here's the rollers. Yeah. And they're all nylons. Yeah. Pretty nice. Same springs, torsion springs. Yeah, Chamberlain B750. I don't know if you can see the date, but this was made February 19th of 2020. So yeah. All right, we'll put this back here. So yeah. All right. So yeah, these are pretty nice doors. So yeah, here's the trolley and the door arm. I don't know if oh yeah, pretty sure I remember doing this like once. I unlocked like this out of the door. Yeah. But yeah, it's pretty nice. We'll show you, we'll turn the light off. We'll run this with the light off. See how dark it is in here. Because it's dark, because it's cloudy out. Very. Run it down. Here we go. We'll also run this disconnected, but with the light off. Shit. Thing wasn't fully disengaged. Yeah, with the lights off, all you can really just see is the windows. We'll reconnect this back into the door. We'll do a real quick balance test. So yeah, this is pretty much where the door stays when it's disconnected. All right, we'll reconnect this back into the opener. Oh yeah, one cool thing about this, the light blinks a few times. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I will hopefully see you in the next video. But yes, I'd like to get new light bulbs for this thing. But yeah, all right. We'll turn the light back on. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.